Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best foot cream is probably one of the most effective solutions for anyone struggling with the discomfort and unsightliness of dry, cracked feet, offering a path to smoother, healthier skin with consistent application. This specialized treatment works by deeply hydrating the skin, replenishing lost moisture, and creating a protective barrier to prevent further dryness and cracking, ultimately restoring the natural suppleness and comfort of your feet. It's designed to penetrate tough skin, targeting the root causes of dryness and providing noticeable relief and improvement over time. Number 5. Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Ointment. Are you suffering from cracked heels and dry feet? Our intensive healing ointment is designed to provide deep moisturization and repair. This powerful formula penetrates deeply to restore moisture to even the driest skin. Experience relief and softness with regular use. It's specifically formulated to aid in skin healing, targeting the rough and damaged areas of your feet. Get back to comfortable, smooth skin. Whether your feet are dry, rough, or painfully cracked, this ointment offers a solution. It works to heal and protect your skin. This convenient 1-ounce size is perfect for daily use and travel. Keep your feet healthy and hydrated wherever you go. What we like. This is an intensive healing ointment designed for rapid relief of cracked heels and dry feet. It deeply moisturizes and softens rough skin, promoting skin repair. If you have severely cracked or painful feet and need a quick, effective solution, this is the product for you. What people say. This product is amazing. It has helped my dry, cracked feet heal so much. I love this treatment. It's very effective and my feet feel so much better. The design of the packaging is very convenient and easy to use. Number 4. DERMORA Original Foot Peel Mask. Tired of dry, cracked heels? Our foot peel mask is designed to gently exfoliate and remove dead skin, revealing softer, smoother skin underneath. Enjoy a relaxing spa experience in the comfort of your own home. This easy-to-use mask takes care of callus removal for you. Watch as it works to slough away rough skin, leaving your feet feeling rejuvenated and incredibly soft. It's a simple yet effective way to achieve healthier-looking feet. Formulated for gentle yet powerful exfoliation, it targets dry patches and calluses. You'll love the smooth, renewed feeling after just one use. Designed to fit most feet, up to a women's size 11 or men's size 10. Get ready for a complete foot transformation with this convenient pack. With 4 pairs included, you can maintain soft, smooth feet regularly. Experience the difference and say goodbye to rough skin for good. What we like. This is an exfoliating foot peel mask that effectively removes dead skin and calluses, revealing smoother, softer skin. It offers an at-home spa experience for foot care. If you're looking for a way to shed rough skin and achieve baby-soft feet with minimal effort, this mask is a great choice. What people say. This product is amazing. It works wonders on my dry, cracked feet. I have tried many products for my dry, cracked feet, but this one is by far the best. My feet feel so soft and smooth after using this treatment. Number 3. Ebanel Urea Cream 40% plus Salicylic Acid 2%. Are you struggling with dry, cracked feet? Our powerful formula is designed to deeply moisturize and soften even the toughest skin. With 40% urea, it penetrates deeply to hydrate and repair. Say goodbye to rough heels and calluses. Enriched with 2% salicylic acid, it gently exfoliates dead skin cells. This helps reveal smoother, healthier-looking skin. It's not just for feet. Use it on knees, elbows, and hands to tackle dryness and roughness everywhere. Effectively softens calluses and helps to condition toenails. Achieve softer, more comfortable skin all over. Experience the transformation as it restores suppleness and smoothness. Enjoy comfortable, soft skin again. What we like. This is a powerful cream with a high concentration of urea and salicylic acid, designed to deeply moisturize and soften dry, cracked skin. It's effective for feet, heels, knees, elbows, and hands. If you suffer from rough, dead skin in multiple areas and need a potent treatment that both exfoliates and hydrates, this cream is ideal. What people say. This product is amazing for dry, cracked feet. It works really well and my feet feel so much better. I love how quickly it absorbs into the skin. Number 2. ZenToes Moisturizing Heel Socks. Are you tired of dry, cracked heels? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to bring comfort and hydration back to your feet. These socks are infused with a blend of vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil. They work together to deeply moisturize and repair your skin. Simply wear them overnight for an intensive treatment. Wake up to softer, smoother heels with minimal effort. The open-toe design ensures breathability and comfort while you sleep. It allows your skin to absorb the nourishing ingredients effectively. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These moisturizing heel socks make the perfect self-care present for any woman in your life. Give your feet the pampering they deserve. Experience the ultimate in foot hydration and say goodbye to discomfort. What we like? These are moisturizing heel socks designed for overnight treatment of dry, cracked heels. Infused with vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil, they provide deep hydration. If you prefer a passive treatment and want to wake up with softer heels, or if you're looking for a relaxing self-care gift, these socks are perfect. What people say. This is the best foot cream I have ever used. It has a nice texture and is not greasy. It absorbs quickly and leaves my feet feeling soft and smooth. I have very dry, cracked feet and this cream has made a huge difference. My heels are no longer cracked and my feet feel moisturized all day long. I love the scent of this cream. It's very subtle and pleasant. It also works wonders on my dry, cracked feet. My skin feels so much healthier. Number 1. Grocerism Urea Cream 40% with Salicylic Acid. Tired of dry, rough, and calloused skin? Our powerful cream is designed to tackle your toughest skin concerns on both your feet and hands. Featuring a potent 40% urea concentration, this cream deeply hydrates and softens even the most stubborn dry patches. It's perfect for restoring smoothness to heels, elbows, and knees. With the added benefit of 2% salicylic acid, it gently exfoliates away dead skin cells. This helps to reveal softer, smoother skin underneath. Experience the revitalizing effects that leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and moisturized. Say goodbye to rough textures and hello to comfort. This maximum strength formula is specifically created for those struggling with dry, rough, and calloused areas. It provides the intensive care you need. Easily apply it to target areas like your heels, elbows, and knees. It works effectively to transform rough skin into a smooth, supple texture. What we like? This is a maximum strength urea and salicylic acid cream that effectively exfoliates and moisturizes dry, rough, and calloused skin. Its large size makes it an economical choice for regular use on feet, hands, elbows, and knees. If you need a powerful, long-lasting solution for persistent rough skin and appreciate value, this cream is an excellent option. What people say. This product is amazing for dry, cracked feet. It works wonders and my feet are so soft now. I love how quickly it absorbs and doesn't leave a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.